So today is March 24th and I was just ironing the clothes, and at the bottom I saw this pill, and that is for the allergy, to stop the runny nose or you have any allergic reaction. So basically yesterday I had taken that pill when I started to have runny nose, and I don't have allergy. It's from the part of the fever and cold that I had. So now that the fever and the sore throat is gone, and I always get this little runny nose for a few days and then it subsides. So yeah, just because yesterday I took it, and then when I started to iron the clothes, there, it was starting. There was a runny nose, and I didn't want to go get my pill because I just wanted to finish the ironing. So now to make issue about that, because I thought that I will not take it now, and I'll take it after I'm done ironing. So they placed a pill, because when I placed the clothes in the basket, there was absolutely nothing. The basket was empty. Okay, when I took out the clothes from the dryer, I actually placed it folded clothes. The clothes were not randomly placed. I had folded the clothes and then I placed the stack of clothes on the basket. In the basket. So when I placed it, there was no pill. But now suddenly, where did this pill appear? Same way in the morning, the cockroach appeared. Right? When Dural Sosby, ex-FBI agent, when he wanted to contaminate the entire surface. Why? Because yesterday night, when on the surface outside of the mats, the drying mats, my mother-in-law, she might have washed the utensils and she didn't place it on the mats. She has this habit of finding the countertop apart from the mats and the drying rack that I already have. She will start placing all these wash utensils on that floor, and I don't wipe those counter tops every day or every other day. So it's quite obvious that there might be some dust, or anyways there are cockroaches every 2-3 days in that area. So they contaminate those places. Okay, and I do not mark each and every place, but whenever I do see, I do the disinfect. Like for example, today I had to disinfect that entire countertop area, right near the sink area. So I already uploaded that video. So like I said, if they can make a cockroach appear and stop at a particular place to make issue about a particular place, a particular item, a particular thing that I had cooked or whatever it is, then they can make this pill appear as well. Right? You see how super interrogation, as Dr. Richard Boylan was saying, that we do super interrogation. We, in the sense, Delta Force at Area 51, along with NSA, military people. And witchcraft is being used by these same very Jehovah's Witness, NSA, FBI, CIA, military, Hollywood, Bollywood, all these people, all them big corporate people, all these people are into witchcraft. So, somebody just placed the pill in the basket to synchronize, like CIA guy Robert Duncan says, they do improbable synchronizations. And because a lot of dictation from 2015, whenever my targeting started so much, all they do is synchronization for dictation purpose and super interrogation purpose. So to dictate that you take the pill, and why? Oh, because they are synchronizing and they are super interrogating that, oh, now you had runny nose and yesterday you had taken this pill and you are feeling better. So while I started to iron the clothes, there was nothing, but then it started. So you don't wait and you take it right now because you're going on using tissues, I'm like, so they want to make issue about that. And this is how they do dictation, super interrogation, humiliation. And you see where they place the pill in a basket. Usually I wash my hands. I have like a medicine cabinet. So before I touch that cabinet or any food items, I always wash my hands. That's the first thing I do, and I didn't want to touch it. But where did they place that pill? In the basket, where the basket most likely is surely contaminated. Like, it's not disinfected, right? Although I put the washed clothes in there, but still you get dust and all kind of stuff in the basket. Right? So yeah, this is what they do. They contaminate the surfaces, wash utensils, wash mats, and oh, now you can have these contaminated utensils. You can cook in there. If you don't cook, then you have to either just wash all of it, take that time to wash all of it, that physical more work, how it's like a slavery, how you made the slaves work. It's same thing. So these people, oh, because I'm filled with Jesus Christ's blood, so you're a slave, you are the chosen one, you are the starseed, and in the spiritual realm they see light in me. So only they need to take my light away for their alien agenda, for their UFO cover up. And what is UFO cover up? UFO nothing but jinn and aliens, demons, Lucifer. They are working for Lucifer, for the Antichrist to bring in this world. And so for that, oh, you are not part of the devil. And so devil needs to suck up your energy, because only you have the light. You are the chosen one. You are the starseed. And so we need our aliens, our jinn and demons need to manifest in this 3D world. And so for that we need energy. And so that energy has to come from me, but it can come only from the constant physical and mental torture. That is their alien agenda. And of course the chosen one, because, oh, I'm the pure light, and, they're Lucifer's devil.